bowling ball weighs about 10 to 15 pounds, which is similar to the weight of our head. If I put this on my shoulder, I can carry this weight for a long time, which is the same for our head as long as it's right over our shoulder. But if I move this bowling ball out in front and try to carry this load in my arms, it's much harder to hold steady and puts a lot of tension on my neck, arms, shoulders. Well, that's similar to our forward head posture. Every inch our head is in front of our shoulders adds 10 to 15 pounds of pressure on our neck, our shoulders, and our nervous system that runs right through that whole area. That stress leads not only to headaches, migraines, and neck pain, but to all kinds of health problems. With our gentle chiropractic care, no popping, twisting, or cracking, we help restore posture and minimize the stress on your nervous system. I'm Dr. Steve with Hunt Spinal Care.